We offer 3 different packages suitable for different needs. The first is our simple setup. This is ideal for those who would like a DIY process whereby we eliminate the technical needs. This means that we set up the WordPress environment, we set up the demo of your choice with the content if you would like. Then you're able to filter that, edit that, and set up and customize the flow theme to your desirability. The second option is our Advanced. Our Advanced is our most popular package, one because it includes a hands-on approach with a team member at Flothemes to work with you with 2 one-hour calls. We make sure that we set up your site the way that you would like, which you specify through an initial form. This means that we apply your branding, your fonts, your colors. We set up the pages in your sitemap, as well as we set up the layouts. You will be responsible for adding your galleries and your content, but because of our calls, we will make sure that you know how to integrate and learn and use Flothemes to the best of your abilities. We also include migration options as well as additional a la carte features to get the most out of personalizing your flow theme. Our third package is our Advanced Pro. This is our most in-depth package that we have in our service offerings. It includes the normal setup within our advanced plan, but it also includes the back-end optimization of your site. This is important for anyone who cares about their SEO, their speed, their optimization, and making sure that your website runs to its fullest and smoothest that it possibly can. We also include more hand-holding time or one-to-one time, whereby we have an additional 1 hour, whereby we can fine-tune, answer questions, and help you get the most out of your flow theme. This package is our #1 recommendation. It does cost more than the others, but it is a worthwhile investment if you would like to have a well-rounded, full experience from your new flow theme website. Thank you.